It only takes 1 hour to earn up to $30. Yeah, you heard it right. You can earn this much directly in your bank account just by doing data entry in freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is the world's largest freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace by number of users and projects, which allows potential employers to post jobs that freelancer can then bid to complete. By the conclusion of this video, I will show you how you can easily sign up a free account on freelancer.com. Click on the sign up button. You can choose to sign up via Facebook or email. You will then be asked to provide a username. Note that you cannot change your username after sign up. Now select your account type. You can also hire people for work. This setting can be changed anytime, but we are here for the work. And the sign up is done. After signing up, we have to choose the skill for the work we are looking for. As you can see, there are so many categories like writing and content, design, media and architecture, data entry, engineering and science, sales and marketing, and many more. If you are unable to find it in the categories, you can also search for skills. I am choosing data entry and admin. There are a number of jobs for this category. We have 434 jobs for data entry, 376 jobs for Excel, 252 jobs for data processing, 98 jobs for web search, 37 jobs for transcription, and many other jobs. I am selecting some of it. I have selected 11 skill categories. You can select up to 20 skills. You can link your Facebook or LinkedIn account. It will save your time. If you don't want to, you can skip this part. Now you have to upload your profile picture and your real name. Then you have to fill out the profile so that the clients will understand your services better. Write a one-line description about yourself. We are here for data entry, therefore I am writing data entry specialist. You can further describe it more like your top skills, strengths, experiences, and more details, which will help you to find clients more easily. What languages do you speak? You can add many languages in which you are fluent in so that they will match you with the employers with the same languages. Then you have to fill your date of birth. Note that you need to be at least 16 years old to use the website. This information will be used for verification. It will be kept confidential. Where are you located? Here you have to add your address for identity verification. Don't worry, only your city and country will be shown publicly. If you still don't want to add your address, you can only add your city, enter the postcode, and it's done. We are almost there. Check your email and verify your account. As you can see, the verification is done. Verify payment method. Your payment method is used to verify your identity and helps to build trust. Add verified payment method. You can add debit or credit card. All major cards are accepted. Or you can verify via PayPal account. PayPal works internationally. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily make one in just few minutes. I will show you how you can make a PayPal account just in a minute. PayPal is probably the widest used electronic payment system. Here's how to register there. You will need a few things to set up a PayPal account, including a debit or credit card for making payments. Click the sign up button. Then you have to add your phone number and input the verification code. Then you have to write the email address, your name, and then create a password. After filling the details, click next. Here is the second form. Here you have to add your address and date of birth. Then agree on the condition and your account is created. Once done with the registration, you will now have a PayPal account. Now let's add a card. By adding a card to your PayPal account, you can spend money and pay money directly into your account from PayPal. Then confirm your email and your account is created in just a minute. While adding debit card or credit card, you will be charged approx 20 Indian rupees which they return you after the verification, so it's a free process. Verification is successful. Plus membership. If you want to take the Plus membership, you can purchase it. Otherwise, you can skip it. You can still find clients and do the same work without it. Finally, we have made it. Now you can easily search for jobs and bid them. In the left side, you can adjust filter to get jobs according to you. There are two project types. First, fixed price and second, hourly rate. I am selecting both. This is the message tab where you can talk with clients directly. Now I will show you the details of this project. They are paying 750 to 1250 Indian rupees per hour. Bidding will end in 6 days and 23 hours. Anyone who have a good knowledge in MS Office can apply. On the right side, you can know about the clients. This is another project where the client is paying 750 to 1500 US dollars. It's a virtual assistant job. On the right side, you can see client verification. The identity and payment is verified. Also, the deposit has been made, which secures your payment. You can bid for this job after filling the details. And you can get hired easily and you can start working for them. If you don't have a PC, don't worry. You can do the same work on a mobile phone also. Open freelancer.com official site on your mobile phone. As you can see, the same web page is here. The same step will be followed here. Or you can open in desktop site for the exact same steps. You can also download the Freelancer app from Play Store. There are many other platforms also where you can find work for data entry like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. So that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, let us know in the comment section and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.